Welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Victoria, a mom, wife, a business owner, and a content creator.
So, welcome back, my kitchen village. I'm going to be doing 6 months baby food series, and today is going to mark the day one of our 6 months baby food series. See the day one. Let's be talking. As you all know, my baby just blocked 6 months, so I want to use that opportunity to share some of the prepared recipe that I prepared to give her once she's 6 months. And voila, you're 6 months old. So today I'm making something you can serve your 6 months old. It is proteinous, it is, it is good and it is healthy. And note, you have to observe for allergy of your baby before you try this. So we have milk, rice, it has been thoroughly washed, apple, and peanut butter. You can actually skip peanut butter if your child is allergic to, peanut or nuts in general. But I'm going to be using peanuts for mine. And for the milk, you can use formula milk. You can use formula. You can use breast milk. I'm going to add the washed rice. So the rice I use is 1/3 cups of rice. Then the milk, 1 cup of milk. I'm just going to cover.
So once your rice is cooking, you want to start dicing. You want to start dicing the apple. You clean, then divide it into just the way I did and dice it. Once you're done dicing the apple, you want to thoroughly rinse it for 2 to 3 times before you finally transfer it into the blender. You want to thoroughly rinse it for 2 to 3 times before you finally transfer it into the blender. So if you are just visiting my channel for the first time, so if you are returning Coco Nibs or a new Coco Nibs, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button, like this video, comment, share, engage so that the algorithm is going to push out this video more.
In the kitchen light, we gather round. Food lover diary where magic's found. Both flavors dance in a bit.
By now, the rice should be ready. So you just want to transfer it into the semi blender. This blender is mainly for baby food. So what I did first was, add the apple into the blender, then followed by the cooked rice. Then I covered it to simmer for about 5 minutes. Once that has steamed properly, I added the peanut butter, then I blended it into puree. Once I was done blending into puree, as you can see, I plated it. In fact, my 2-year-old also took out of it, and to think they really enjoyed it. So if you want to make for your baby, you can skip for allergy like I said. And my Coco Nibs, thanks for watching. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I post any new video, and so that you'll be able to get updated when I post the next baby food recipe. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.